On the Philippine Airlines Airbus 350 going to Manila. It's kind of moving slow getting through back here.
Marcus, you're here. Dito po tong akin. Marcus, dito ka.
I think I saw you outside earlier, didn't I?
Thank you, sir, for
Thank you.
that.
Yeah, I know devotion to Mary is big in your country, and it's medal of protection.
Thank you, sir.
Be sure you wear it. It's always in usually during travel. You get a good seat right here. You got plenty of room to stretch out.
I couldn't believe it was my seat. I thought it must be a mistake.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is PR127 for Manila.
Excuse me.
We care about your safety, so please store your baggage in your belts and the seat in front of you. This is a smoking zone. We are pleased to open the flight from somebody's Airbus